Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to calculate the equivalent energy. The formula for the equivalent energy is E equal to mc square. E for equivalent energy, equivalent energy. M is the mass. M is the mass. C is the speed of the light. Speed of the light. So the value is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So for this, we are going to write a Python program to calculate the equivalent energy by using a formula mass into c square, speed of the light. We are going to write a Python program. Import math. So math is a module. I am going to use it to calculate the 10 power 8 by using the power function of the math. Next, a variable m equal to float of input of enter mass. I am closing the input function, I am closing the float function. So input function, it will display the string, enter the mass in the console, and it will get the input from the user and it will return the value as a string that is converted as a float by using this float function. So input function always returns the value which is received from the user as a string. Even though if you enter any number, it is a string data type only. To convert it as a number, we have to use float. When you convert it into a appropriate numeric data type, then only you are able to use it in the arithmetic operation. That's why the float function is given here. The input which is obtained from the user for the mass value is converted as a float and stored in the variable m. Next, I am calculating a value of c equal to 3 multiplied with power of 10 comma 8. So POW is the power function which will raise the second value in the power of the first value. Here 10 power 8 will get calculated. POW is a function which is available in the math module. That's why the math module got imported. Now I am going to calculate the equivalent energy. Here I am using a value E equal to mass multiplied with the speed of the light c into c, because c square. So E equal to mc square get calculated. Now I am printing the result. Print the equivalent energy. Equivalent energy followed by the value in the variable E, followed by I am giving a value joule is the unit of measurement of the equivalent energy. Now I have printed the result. So I am importing the math module. So I am obtaining an input from the user for the value m, that is for mass, I ask the user to enter the mass. This will be displayed in the console, and the value entered by the user is stored in the variable m. C equals speed of light 3 multiplied with POW of 10,8. Here 3 multiplied with 10 power 8 will get calculated. POW is the function which is available in the math module. Now I am calculating mc square and stored in the variable E, that is for the equivalent energy, m multiplied with C into C. Now I am printing a result. The equivalent energy followed by the variable E, and joule is the unit of measurement of the equivalent energy. So how this program works? Okay, how a console looks like. Input, enter the mass. My console will display enter mass. For example, I am entering a value 8.95. This is for the mass. Then it will be multiplied with mass into C square. C into C. MC square. So what is the value of C? 3 into 10 power 8. So MC square will get calculated here. The equivalent energy, a string will get printed. The equivalent energy. Equivalent. The output value is 8.055 E plus 17, E power plus 17, and the unit of measurement joule. Is this output? The demonstration of this program is given in the description. Please access the video and see the demonstration how it get executed in the environment. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.